Are you a constant burper? Do you burp like 10, 20, 30, 40 or more times a day? That means you have a low stomach acid and you probably have something in here creating lots of pressure and buildup of gas. If I had to guess, the number one culprit of that would be H. pylori. Not only will it suppress your stomach acid, allowing food to sit there and ferment, it also creates hydrogen gas, which you'll then find you're burping lots. So first, I would take some pylopurge to really rule out H. pylori. Then I'd move on to something like yeast purge and digest purge together. The yeast purge will take care of any candida inside the stomach, and the digest purge will instantly improve your digestion, which should help your burping. Good luck.